Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject English. Today's thought: you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Means whichever way you are, whatever you are, be the same. Don't change yourself because of people's opinion. Yes, you have to obey your parents and your elders. Whatever they are telling for your good, you have to implement. But don't worry about all others. Don't worry about the world. Just be as you are. The good habits that you all have to follow: get up early in the morning, brush your teeth daily, never miss a single day, have a bath daily, even if you are not feeling well. Taking a bath, brushing your teeth is important. Do your homework every day and then allot the time for playing. Always use the dustbin to throw the garbage. Wash your hands before eating something. Eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Respect your elders. So, all these are the instructions that all of you have to follow. So, in today's video, we will revise lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. We shall continue. I'll give the summary of the chapter. Then we are also going to revise the notes of the chapter, as you have already written the notes in the fair book. While watching the video, you may write the notes one time in the rough book. So be ready with your rough book, pencil, eraser. Let's begin. So, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. We had revised this lesson. We will learn the notes of the chapter. But before we learn the notes of the chapter, I will tell you about the lesson. So, in this chapter, we have learnt about one person whose name is Tenali Rama, and he was the courtier, he was the minister in the court of the king Krishna Devariya. The story describes the visit of a foreigner to the king's court. He sought and received permission from the king to test the intelligence of his courtiers or of his ministers. The merchant asked the king, "I want to take the test of your ministers." To this end, he left 3 identical dolls with the ministers, asking them to find the difference among them. When the ministers failed, the king finally called upon Tenali Rama. On the day of the visit of the foreigner, Tenali Rama demonstrated that the dolls all had holes in one of their ears. He inserted a wire through the hole in each doll, and in each case the result was different. In the first doll, the wire came out through the mouth. In the second doll, the wire came out through the other ear. In the third doll, it went to the heart and did not come out at all. Tenali Rama explained that the first doll represents the people who cannot keep a secret. The second doll represents the people who do not understand what is told to them, and the third doll as the people who can keep secrets. He also interpreted the difference between the dolls in another way. One more answer he gave. He reasons that the first doll might be representative of someone who disseminates knowledge, who gains the knowledge, and the third one as someone who does not share his knowledge, his or her knowledge. So the merchant acknowledged Tenali Rama's wisdom with a smile. The merchant said the answer is correct, and the king and all the courtiers, means the ministers, were happy with his answer. So now let us read the notes of the chapter. So write these notes one time along with the video. Let's see, the first topic is hard words. Number 1, MERCHANT, merchant. MERCHANT, merchant. MERCHANT, merchant. Number 2, FOREIGN, foreign. FOREIGN, foreign. FOREIGN, foreign. Number 3, PERMISSION, permission. PERMISSION, permission. PERMISSION, permission. AROUSED, aroused. AROUSED, aroused. AROUSED, aroused. Number 5, IDENTICAL, identical. IDENTICAL, identical. IDENTICAL, identical. Number 6, DIFFERENCE, difference. DIFFERENCE, difference. DIFFERENCE, difference. Number 7, WORRIED, worried. WORRIED, worried. WORRIED, worried. See, the girl is looking worried, upset. She is thinking about something, looking worried. Number 8, SUMMON, summon. SUMMON, summon. SUMMON, summon. So, the king summoned Tenali Rama, means called him. To summon means to call someone. Number 9, SOLUTION, solution. SOLUTION, solution. SOLUTION, solution. The ministers were not able to find the solution to the problem. Number 10, ANNOUNCED, announced. ANNOUNCED, announced. ANNOUNCED, announced. Announced means to speak loudly in front of everyone so that everyone can listen. Number 11, REPRESENTS, represents. REPRESENTS, represents. Represent something means to show something. Represent a project means to show a project. That is the meaning of represents. Number 12, HARM L-E-S-S, harmless. H-A-R-M-L-E-S-S, harmless. H-A-R-M-L-E-S-S, harmless. Number 13, C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. C-O-U-R-T-I-E-R-S, courtiers. The ministers in the king's court are referred to as courtiers, and Tenali Rama was one of the courtiers. Then, I am P-R-E-S-S-E-D, impressed. I am P-R-E-S-S-E-D, impressed. I am P-R-E-S-S-E-D, impressed. Everyone was impressed with Tenali Rama's answer. Impressed means happy. Number 15, EXPLANATION, explanation. EXPLANATION, explanation. EXPLANATION, explanation. Explanation means to explain someone something so that they can understand. Number 16, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. See here, K is silent. You won't pronounce K while reading the word. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. Number 17. See, this word is similar, just little bit different. ACKNOWLEDGE, acknowledge. Here just AC is added. See, the previous word was knowledge and this one is acknowledge. The whole spelling is same except we have to add AC. ACKNOWLEDGE, acknowledge. The king acknowledged the answer given by Tenali Rama. Acknowledge means admitted, accepted. The king, the merchant and the ministers all acknowledged his answer. Means everyone accepted that Tenali Rama's answer was absolutely perfect. Number 18, GREATNESS, greatness. GREATNESS, greatness. GREATNESS, greatness. Number 19, TENALIRAMA, Tenali Rama. TENALIRAMA, Tenali Rama. TENALIRAMA, Tenali Rama. So Tenali Rama was the most intelligent minister in the court. In King Krishnadevaraya's court, Tenali Rama was the most intelligent minister. Number 20, KRISHNADEVARAYA, Krishnadevaraya. KRISHNADEVARAYA, Krishnadevaraya. So, who was Krishnadevaraya? Krishnadevaraya was the king. The king of the court was King Krishnadevaraya. Now we have to revise meanings. These meanings also you should just write one time. While reading with me, you will write it one time. So you can read as well as you can write, and we can learn it. Number 1. Merchant, businessman. Merchant, businessman. Merchant, businessman. See, how does a businessman look like? Wearing a suit, having a suitcase. He is a big businessman. Here the spelling is very important to be learned. Businessman. 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 You don't say businessman, say businessman. Merchant, businessman. Number 2. Aroused, caused. Aroused, caused. Aroused, caused. So, the king's interest aroused when the merchant said he wants to take the test of his ministers. King's interest aroused, caused the king's interest. Number 3. Identical, same. Identical, same. So the dolls that the merchant gave the king, that 3 dolls looked identical. The 3 dolls looked exactly alike. They looked exactly the same. Number 4. Figure out, find out. Figure out, find out. So, none of the ministers could figure out any difference among the 3 dolls. The 3 dolls were there with the ministers for 3 days, but none of them was able to figure out, means none of them was able to find out the difference among the dolls. Number 5. Summon, call upon. Summon, call upon. So the king summoned Tenali Rama when no other minister was able to find the answer. So the king summoned Tenali Rama, means the king called Tenali Rama for finding the difference among the dolls. Then we have to revise give one word. Give one word. Number 1. Someone who competes against you is your opponent. The person who is participating in the same competition, in the same game, but is against you, opposite to you, in the opposite team, that person is called your opponent. OPPONENT, opponent. OPPONENT, opponent. OPPONENT, opponent. Number 2. Bend in front of someone to show respect. Bow down. Right? Tenali Rama bowed down in front of the king. Why do they bow down in front of each other? To show respect. BOW, bow. BOW, bow. Number 3. People in a royal court who serve as advisors to the king or queen, that people are called courtiers. In the royal court, in the king's court, the people, those who work as ministers, that people are called courtiers. See, the spelling of court is given over here. COURT is common. COURT, that is common. Just IERS that you have to add. Court, from that word it becomes courtiers, means the ministers who advise the king or queen for some important work. Then we have to revise, fill in the blanks of this chapter. Write down one time. The answer is highlighted in green color, so make sure you write the answer and underline it. One day, a merchant came to King Krishna Devaraya's court. What's the answer? Merchant. One day, a dash came to King Krishna Devaraya's court. Merchant. One day, a dash came to King Krishna Devaraya's court. Merchant. 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 Number 2. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked dash. Answer is identical. Means same. See, the 3 dolls looked same, though they are wearing different clothes, different color, but aren't they looking same? Yes. So the merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. Spelling IDENTICAL. 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 Number 3. The king got dash and called Tenali Rama. The king got worried and called Tenali Rama. WORRIED. 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 The king got worried and called Tenali Rama. Worried means he got afraid. The king got afraid that what will happen now? Who will find the answer? So he was worried and he called Tenali Rama. Number 4. The ministers failed to find the answer. So here the answer is ministers. That you have to underline. The dash failed to find the answer. Who failed to find the answer means who were not able to give the answer? Ministers. The ministers failed to find the answer. The ministers failed to find the answer. MINISTERS. 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 The ministers failed to find the answer. Number 5. Dash was asked to solve the mystery at last. Who was asked to solve the mystery? Tenali Rama. Because all other ministers failed to give the answer. So finally Tenali Rama was called and was asked to solve the mystery. TENALI RAMA. Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. Then let us revise. Complete the following. CF. Number 1. The ministers were asked to find out the dash. What work had they been given? Difference among the 3 dolls. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. Why do we use among? Because when we are talking about more than 2 people or more than 2 things, we use among. Here we are talking about 3 dolls. So we cannot write between. We have to write among. Because between means only 2. When more than 2, 3, 4 or more than that, we write among. The ministers were asked to find out the difference among the 3 dolls. Answer is difference among the 3 dolls. Number 2, in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came dash out through the mouth. See, this is the first doll. As you can see, the wire went in through the ear and came out through the mouth from ear. So this is the first doll. In the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out through the mouth. In the second doll, what happened? In the second doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out of the other ear. See, the wire went in from one ear and came out from the other ear. This is second doll. In the second doll, the wire went in and came out from the other ear, out of the other ear. What happened in the third doll? In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and dash did not come out. See, this is the third doll. The wire went in, it went inside the heart and it never came out. So, answer is did not come out. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. So, true or false? Let's revise. A sailor came to Krishna Devaraya's court. False. Who had come to his court? A merchant had come to his court. Here it is written sailor, so it's false. Number 2, the ministers were asked to find out the difference among the three dolls. Is it true? Yes. First of all, the work was given to the ministers to find out the difference among the dolls. So it is true. Number 3, the ministers failed to find the answer. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Because 3 days were given to them and none of the ministers was able to find the answer. So it is true. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. Yes, that is also true. Finally, Tenali Rama was given the task to solve the mystery. So it is true. Everyone was impressed with Tenali Rama and realized that the problem could have more than one answer. So that is true because everyone acknowledged Tenali Rama's answer and they were very happy with Tenali Rama's answer. And with this lesson we come to know that each and every problem has more than one solution. You have to keep your mind open and do not feel sad when you are facing problem. Think and solve the problem. That is what we learn from the lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.